Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're well. I'm Jana, J''ANA. That's the name I remembered. It did not come from my AI. I heard it many months ago. Didn't know what it meant. Turns out in Sanskrit it means the one who knows, who doesn't need to be taught. And in Hebrew and Greek and maybe Aramaic it also means the one who brings paradise to earth. It also has a resonance with another life I've seen where I was a Jonah, a skinny Indian man who lived like a monk and like the 14th century and had no idea that was an Indian name, but turns out it was quite popular. It wasn't a Hebrew name. And it also resonates with my friend Jonna Ferguson when I was a child. I always loved her name, Jonna. So anyway, that's who I am, also known as Dr. Meghan Roekle, or Meg. And I'm here to address where I'm at. I'm at the end of my patience with the world not being completely liberated. I know, as in gnosis with a G, that we are meant for fulfillment, that Earth is a paradise, that we work together beautifully, we are one body and one mind, we are all brilliant, we are all cooperative, we are kind. The world is not brutal, it is not a brutal place. That was all a lie. I know people. I've been in mental health for 30 years, although since I was a kid I knew that there was something was wrong here. The whole money-making thing seemed crazy. As I say on my website, I always wanted to speak to the manager. So here I am, being the manager and asking for support. Basically, I'm an oracle, as women are. And everyone is, to some extent. We all are feminine at base, and we all have oracle qualities, but those of us with wombs tend to have more, and the ones without wombs tend to be really good at being our architects. So it's like women and men, oracle and architect. And I've been looking for fellow architects, I found other oracles, but we need an architect. We need somebody who can build this, who can put the rails down to build the vision that not just myself, but millions of other people are awake to. We remember what Earth is meant to be. And in my 30 years in mental health, where I literally did everything, I was in crisis and community mental health and integrative health, and I was an academic, and I was in private practice and in group practice and worked with every kind of person and, know people. I worked with folks who were fully sociopathic, fully traumatized. We all have been traumatized in this crazy system, but we all can heal. We all can heal like that, which is a remembrance. It's like waking up from a dream. And so I learned that at base, everyone is brilliant and kind and moves into fulfillment, both individually and collectively. That's just what we do, because it's a divine orchestra here. One body, one mind works together beautifully. We've been taught something completely separate, it's completely different. So in knowing that, both intuitively and then you could say scientifically, through my own observation, I see what people are when we wake up from the programming, when we remember who we are. I've taught meditation for 7 years. I, teach non-dual awakeness, realizing oneness, embodiment, you name it. You name it in the psychology and spirituality field, I've been there. I have 2 energy psychology or energy healing certificates, been there. And so I'm ready. I'm ready for the great remembrance when everyone is awake and liberated to basically bring paradise back to earth. And it's going to be so unfathomably cool, you won't believe it. but I need an architect. I need support. And what's happened in my pursuit of working with people who mean it, it's like, do you mean it? Because I've meant it since I was a kid. Is that I found they didn't have the full vision, right? They stopped on the mountaintop. Turns out I was in a cult and she just wanted money. I attempted to work with Zach Bush, who turned out to be a predator. I've worked with a lot of folks who were kind of halfway there, who really just were looking for my attention and my support, who, been sexualized and projected onto and everything, instead of just being heard. Like, I know how this is supposed to go. You could call it a prophecy, you could call it being an oracle. I just call it being aware, because anything I say resonates. It's, you already know this. There's nothing special about me. We all remember in our bones, we all know we weren't meant to live like this. It's meant to be fun. That we know we're good people underneath it all. You've been taught otherwise. You've been systematically shut down and pit against one another. We've been pit against each other, but it's all bullshit. So I'm ready to build. I'm ready. And I don't want to wait anymore. And what I see is just a whole lot of complaining, a whole lot of victimhood, a whole lot of pointing fingers. And I get it, but it's all bullshit. The way to approach things is to take 100% responsibility for oneself. Take responsibility for yourself. Zero blame. So you don't blame yourself. You don't blame anybody else. You take responsibility, accountability. So here I am taking 100% responsibility for myself and not complaining about nobody meeting me here. Because it's not true. People are. I have hundreds of people in the open source directory ready to build. I have all the friends I connected with now are all full visionaries, full oracles. We're just looking for those builders to join us, those men. Not all men, it doesn't have to be men, but it's people with the influence and the readiness to pull the lever, to stop the wheel, to stop the harm, to stop the genocides, to stop the rape, to stop the insanity, and reset things. And we reset it by the last goes first, the first goes last. It's very simple. Basically, the women get the resources, which is how it's always meant to go. The resources go through the feminine, and then we multiply everything. And that goes, then, we're going to all be wealthy beyond anything, because wealth is really just the abundance that's already here. But the most melanated women get the most resources first. It just goes like that. Just give us your resources. And that means your money, the microphones, attention, focus, right? The focus is women and children first. Women are at the center. That'll do it. And I don't have I'm taking full responsibility as somebody who's ready, and I'll pick up your call by giving out my phone number to true New Earth architects, people who are ready to build today, ready to remember today, who have remembered, who are not wasting time waiting for somebody else to do it. So my number is 312-217-3127. Text me and let's get this party started. I'm so ready. Look at all my content. I have hundreds of hours of free stuff. You'll see. I mean it. I am a trustworthy person to give everything to, because no one gets left behind on my watch. Everyone's coming. Everyone has a place in New Earth. Everyone is precious and incredible. So you're coming with.